So our today's topic would be central procurement. So within the sourcing functions, we have two things was pending: the central procurement and the vendor evaluation. So we'll try that this week. We are completing the central procurement and vendor evaluation, and then next week we'll be jumping into the output management and the inventory management. So let's first discuss that what is central procurement and why actually we require central procurement. Let's first do that discussion. So let me go here. Okay, central procurement. So before we jump into the central procurement, first we need to understand that what kind of different requirements are there with the business, which currently our normal ECC system is not able to fulfill. Once you're able to understand that, then you would be able to understand why actually we require a central procurement. So what happened that that many companies, so there are some small companies, they have single instance or they have a single system, single box, but they are the multiple companies, many companies are there, they have actually different boxes or different systems are there. That system can be based on the geographic, they have separate system for Europe, or the separate system can also be there, they have a different operations, and for the different operations or different segment of their business, they are putting they have now separate SAP system or ERP system. So this is one system they have for Europe. Another system they might have for let's say a company whose our example which we have taken is this is for FMCG business, and then they have another system where they just do trading. They buy the products and they sell it. Maybe some company they have acquired and that has that system. So in a big companies, the Fortune 500 companies, I've given this three example. In their landscape there can be 20-30 different systems can also be there. The landscape can be as complex as it is. Okay, it can be the multiple systems can be there. Now you can do the procurement in different systems. You can do your procurement here, you can do your procurement here, and you can do your procurement here. But in some cases, what would be there, let's say, especially the indirect materials. So let's say there is a material which is, I will just give you an example, which very basic and simple example. We are having here a material called M1. Okay. This M1 material is procured from all these three systems. They are procuring M1 material. Okay, and it can be a basic materials, can be, it can be a stationary material, or it can be some standard material which we are using, and all these three clients or all these three instances we are buying this material M1. So this one the is from here you are buying it from another vendor, or from here you are buying from another vendor, or from here you are buying it from another vendor, or there can be a situation where actually you are actually buying it from same vendor V1, but because the three different organization purchasing organization is connecting to the vendor, you might find it out this vendor is selling this to our this company on X dollar, is selling Y dollar to this and Z dollar to this. Because of different negotiation and different purchasing departments are approaching to them, the same vendor is selling same product to the different our organization and at the different prices. And because we are buying it into the small quantity, three different quantities, if we club into a single contract, or if we club into a central procurement, and where the quantities would be more, we might be able to negotiate with this vendor better. right? We might be able to get a better price for this. That's where basically the business follow a central procurement concepts. So central procurement is not coming from SAP. Central procurement is actually coming from business. Okay, business follow a central procurement process where basically they would be having a single procurement department, and from this single procurement department all the procurement will happen from here. Okay, so whether I want to buy from here, whether I want to buy for this one, or whether I want to buy for this one, everything I need to buy from a single place. My team is single team, where might be I will be saying that I would be going ahead and I would be creating here a global contract.